scared. Alright. Don't know. It's not like a whole fish where you need to get the season all up in there. In with our first piece of fish. Ourselves. Thanks for tuning in. Seeing. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribe. Thanks for your support. Yeah man. Welcome back. There. Run our back part of the house and get rid of some fun with it. Okay. It's a beautiful day. Yeah man, rain kinda ease up. Right now, just head to the barber shop. From a week more I go to the barber shop. Just call the barber and he said the shop open, so I head out right now. Fix up. Clean up all of the above. So soon check in, soon reach back on the block. I can run on a boat. We call Jamaica base. Yeah? Right, I'm on reach. Yeah man. So reach one back. And bust off a one pot. Probably do some jerk pork today. Yo, when I look on this, tell me if you ever have that cabbage before. I think I just pick the leaf and shred it. I've never cooked this before, but I've eaten it. Just never cooked it before. Boy, people, in our workout, finish on the barber. The barber have a bit of an emergency. So, we have to postpone barbershop today again. It's just not the right time, and I'm not going to go to the barber. I'm turning on the Sizzler Columbia. You know, for you ladies, you have a special nail tech. You have a nail tech or you have a hairdresser. And them there here, done. Yeah. And the same thing with women. We have a barber. You see me? So I think, but really did want to clean up today, but it don't look possible because upon reaching his location, I see place lock up. And I call him, he said he forgot to call me because he get a little emergency call and had to move. Yep, but that's okay, that's fine. I don't have anything important really other than to clean up the appearance for you guys, you know. Yeah, that's the only important thing. But I know you guys will give me a blur until I get through, until he's available. So I'm actually heading home now. I think me I'll go home. Supposed to have some sliced fish in the fridge. I'm not even sure. I've been planning to put the fish on the skewers from with some fruits. I don't know. I'm just waiting to feel for something. I don't know what to prepare today as yet, but there will definitely be a video out today. See, so heading back home. We'll keep you guys updated. See, yeah. Yes, my people, welcome back. Big up on yourself. Beautiful Jamaica. You see that topic here, you know? I am not a farmer, you know, so I should have address this. And the situation has never happened to me. Well, it happened because, but not with this specific type of animal, but I believe personally each and every cow and goat or whatever size animal is out there we can cause damage or be detrimental to motorists. Seeing, alright, I'm gonna go up on the side of the road there to show you something. Last night, me saw one car mash up right there, so kill the cow. Yeah. See him, he lay down there, so there. Dead. Yeah. Me say vehicle mash up, but nobody if you own it. Seeing farmers, please secure animal them properly. The animal them actually cause lives out here. They not only mash up people vehicle. You see me, I say you can't imagine you lick one goat or one cow or sick man and it takes somebody life, and any idea nobody if you own the animal. You see, when you have certain kind of collision out here, certain kind of accident out here, anybody who is careless and reckless, they will be charged with manslaughter and all different kind of charges they will face. Me think these animals, me personally, let me turn around the camera, me think that the animal seen, they have to be tagged properly. If the government send out an official to come to your farm and there is one head count over and that animal is not tagged or stamped or have a specific number, saying we think the farmer could be in a problem for it. Because when the animal get where and got road, it damage what them do. There is no way to trace it back to say this animal belong to John, Tom or Harry. Nobody. Are you left with this big old loss? You understand? Again, I don't have nothing against nobody. I bounce goat already and the man walk with him goat. And when I bounce the goat, the man lay down in the bush, I can't find him. You understand? I did get the goat still, but he never cover the expenses. You understand? He never cover the valuable headlight with it mash out and the bumper with it bust and the time when I have to spend for the repair work for my vehicle. It never cover none of that. Alright, well it cover some but not all. It never did cover 50% it damages. So again, farmers, me not even see it out there in news that much. But me I tell you say it has been happening all across Jamaica, especially in a Westmoreland. Especially in a Westmoreland, people. Yeah man. And on the road going to St. Elizabeth. You see when you go to St. Elizabeth, heading from Westmoreland, you have to be careful man. They have one place around there so what they call gutters around Crawford side around there. So I don't even quite remember when you pass border, you pass Crawford and I go up. Yo, cow. When I know people, property, expensive vehicle them and all these things. Brethren, when I raise livestock and all these things, man, secure the thing them better. And you want to know why wicked is part of it? The animal them have created damage. And you can't find the owner, but make a man thief one. Make a man thief a cow, man. You will hear about him, man. He have an owner and the man want back in cow and he will tell you how much cow he lose and how much this and that and right there, but make it same cow. mash up one man crown, or one binger, or one of them market stick. Regin, sort out on yourself, man. A Jamaica this man, and I tell you say, he think can govern a better way. You see me? Sort out on the animal them people. They're gonna please. Yeah man, much love and respect again. Yeah man, I'm back my people. Alright. Food time. For no system in the green room. Food time. Anyways, what me I go around now? Me have from when me I plan to do some breadfruit salad, you know. Breadfruit salad. First, no found go see this one. No found I've never even tried this before. So, same way how you make the potato salad. Yeah, I'm gonna do the breadfruit salad, but I don't have any eggs here, which that is fine. A lot of people don't eat eggs in their salad, and a lot of people don't like it. So I'll make it without eggs today, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna steam fish. I have here some show no I go on. Some nice size sliced fish. Some young breadfruit there. If you guys like boiling breadfruit, the fitter breadfruit, you can use it as well, but I'm not a fan of breadfruit, so right now I just use this one because I don't like the taste of it. The fitter the breadfruit have, the fitter the breadfruit is, the more taste of the breadfruit is it, which I really want that to be so. So I'm just getting some lights up. You know, I like when you can see everything that they go on. I like showing you dark spot. You understand? Yes, people. The rain are tear down what I do right now. I said I do some work on the house, you know, and I hope it's still there. I hope the rain now wash away the I use thin set. I'm having a problem on my roof. Let me see if I can show you guys what's up. So the paint is actually falling down. This house has been painted maybe about 2 years, and I always have to be repainting, especially the roof. Right? There's a gray thing on there now, which they told me to use this thing and then paint it in white. But this gray thing will come down now as well. You understand? This was supposed to be some water resistant thing that I could have paint over. And it now work. It now work. I'm tired of this roof. It's so much work, guys, because right now it's not only here, I have it in the living room as well. I'm gonna have to cover and move around everything and actually sand off the rooftop before repainting. So just imagine the amount of work that is. You understand? So, yeah man, it's rough. Anyways, go get some water for my fish and put up my breadfruit and start the boiling process for this. So, let me just borrow this drain plug over here. I get to show up on the road, so stay tuned. I'm not sure what I want on the breadfruit salad. It's bad, man. It tastes just like Irish potato salad. It tastes almost the same. Maybe if you're tasting for something different, you will find it. But I can tell you, I don't know much. Believe me, nothing much. So anyway, just showing how we deal with it, which is same way how you do the breadfruit salad. So I'm going to take out all kind of green peas and and we have butter, I have butter, and I have mayo. Yeah, so yeah, deal with it. I'll show you now. Same way. Tastes just as good. So soon show you what we got. See? Alright, so all you wanna know how we do it. I've been meaning to sharpen these knives for the longest time, although this one is alright, not too bad, but can still touch up. Alright, so I don't know how we get down to business with the green breadfruit. Well, any kind of breadfruit except for the one that's rose. And the ripe one. See? We're gonna peel this like by cutting the skin first. The first process, when you deal with breadfruit, have to cut it up. It's much easier to deal with when it's smaller. See? And this go full of oil for stain because the breadfruit there, you know, that when it fit this side, this is gonna be packed with stain. So let me just keep the water running. So this stain can wash away as I go. Old people that oil in knife, you know, should have found one of them. This is gonna cook really fast because, as I said, this breadfruit is not on the thicker side. I want to kind of younger. Alright, so I'm just trying to remove some of the green out there. That's it. So let me just put on a small pot with water in the meantime and a little bit of salt. Alright. A little salt. So you're gonna have Irish and then yeah, or a little sunny dinner. No worry ahead. Let's go with that door. Let's find the breadfruit tree. See? I'm trying not to make too much, guys, because I'm alone. I'm not make nothing to waste. So I'm going to use 2 pieces of this breadfruit and make a small quantity. Anyway, it's staying up on the knife, you know, no matter how sharp the knife be, you know. Can't cut. So wonderful. I have the fix for it, man. A little bit of bleach and then good. Everything melt right off. So you can go and click up in yourself. As soon as I'm done with this breadfruit, I get some of the blue back of bleach. You know what bleach is? Alright, so we have the breadfruit. We just go in with it. Just like that. We got attempt to some small cubes. So you get it like that, put it like this again. That is it. That's it. So let me just go in, put this in my pot with water. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave these other 2 pieces in the fridge just in case one of these days in the week I wanna do this salad again. I have it, but if it's getting too bad in there, I may use it in soup or something. See? So I want my knife full of stain. So let me go get some bleach. Show you what I want. Just barely start coming to a boil, guys. So I'm just gonna let that cook for a few minutes, and then as soon as it's soft enough, I'll remove it and start adding all the ingredients to get this salad on the way. I'm gonna add onions. I'm gonna finely dice as small as I can some scallion, but I'll need mostly the greener part, but not too much. Scallion, onions, green peas, check. Onion, check. I have black pepper, mayo, and butter is in the fridge. Alright, let me just get some bleach and start removing this stain before it dries, and then I have to do some scrub work. So stay tuned. Alright, so I know probably they ask me, I don't know what I do. So here what happened now. Bleach. And just drip a little on the knife. What this does is actually prevent the stains from re-sticking. Right? Because we're going to use this knife and just scrape along. Look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can even see. So what happened now is that the bleach prevents the stains from re-sticking to this knife surface or this one. Right, so see we have a lot here. Just scrape along. And it's good like gold. That's it. And I have to go use no thinner or no harsh chemical. And me for one, I really like using oil when I handle the knife. Some people grease their hand to peel banana and other stainy food. Me? Nope. I know that my knife is man of faithful. I mean, now I got all my hand for hungry. None at all. Alright, so see this stain there. Just get some water. No soap added on it, guys. None. See that? You want to learn something today? Comment and tell me. If y'all learn something today, just comment and let me know. Okay. Alright people, so it's that time. Still have my fish in the water. Fish really tough. I should have taken out the fridge from morning, so it could have thawed out. Alright, so I'm just go strain off this water. What I like to do whenever I boil things, I like to just rinse them off a bit with the cold water to stop the cooking process. Yep. Alright, so see what's left here. So what we have there. Let me get a nice size plate for this. I have my scallion and onions already chopped. Just going with this, guys, and you can see already how soft these pieces of breadfruit are. Look at that. The fork easily press it. That's next to Irish grade. Irish potato grade. Alright, so we're just going with a little of the onion. I think I have chopped too much. And our scallion. Alright, only onion and done. You just add onions and stuff to the amount of breadfruit that you're dealing with. Same like when you do Irish potato. You don't need one whole onion for half a breadfruit. Alright, so time I know for our mayo. Going with some mayo. Let me get a spoon. Alright, so before I add the mayo, I'm gonna go in with the butter because I want the butter to be melted and completely cover this. So while it's hot, the mayo will cool it down because the mayo was in the fridge. So I'm gonna go in with, this is about a spoonful and a half of butter. Or butter. Let me just mix that in. If you know about roast breadfruit and butter alone, you know say roast breadfruit and butter bad. Don't. Imagine this. We're mash out right now. I'm not trying to mash these out, guys. I'm just trying to stir everything together. Already looks so good, people. Smells good as well. Yes. Alright. You see what I'm going? Yeah, man. We're going with some mayo, you know. And nice up the thing. You have people that love a lot of mayo on their food, you know. Are you one of those people? So I'm actually going to go in with a fork so that I can mash a few of the pieces. Not all. I want to mash a few of the pieces. And while we're doing that, we're just going to give this a stir. So now, the fridge is open. Now I can go in with a little of the green peas. Oh, this one doesn't have the easy open. Let me just try to locate an opener. Where is that thing? Water. People, you have to try this one of these days. I'm not a fan of breadfruit, but I'll have this. I'm not going to use all of the green peas, just a little. Now, in with a little bit of black pepper. Yep, we add black pepper, guys. Okay. all the goodies that you would add in your potato salad, you can add right here. Yep. Wonderful, people. Wonderful. You want to see what it looks like? That is it. The good old breadfruit salad. It's so soft that the fork is just literally mashing out everything. But this is how I like my salad. Alright? Alright, so taste test. Only thing this one do right now, people, is chill a little bit in the fridge. Breadfruit salad, 1-on-1. Big up on yourself. Alright, so let me just get a container to preserve the rest of this green peas, because we Jamaicans, we believe can poisoning is a very serious thing. So you will never ever see we put a can of anything, juice, nothing at all, and let that stay in the can. We have to pour it out in something and put it in the fridge. Although, sorry guys, that pepper have me. All who believe that, drop a comment, let me know how to deal with it. How to deal with no canned food where you come from. We don't play with it, Jamaica. You have sausage in can, we don't play with it. We don't play with no canned food here. So that is that. Alright, so as soon as I'm ready to deal with the fish, I think I'm gonna fry these. I'm just gonna lightly coat them with a little flour and a little paprika to give them some color. Yes, I got paprika, guys. I went to the store a few days ago and I saw it, so I bought it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna fry these with some plantains and some breadfruit salad. Yeah, so I think that's for dinner. Yeah man, or we can steam a piece of the fish with some crackers and escovitch the rest. What do you think? Anyway, we'll work out something. Big up on yourself. So show now how to deal with the fish. Alright people, so I've already removed what scale was left on these beautiful slices of fish. I have also washed that down with some vinegar. I'm just chopping some season to rub on this thing right now. So I went in with some onions. Now I'm gonna mince this scallions. I'm gonna get some garlic and some dry thyme, and then I'll just go in with some powder seasoning. Alright, so see there now, we have pimento, onion, scallion. I have a bit of purple pepper on there, the Carolina Reaper. I have garlic, I have some thyme. Yeah, you know the way it works. So let me just go in with a bit of all-purpose and a little black pepper and salt. You know the works, you know the thing go. Well, I'll need a little plate and combine all of that together and rub them on my fish scene. So first, let me just put on some black pepper. Let me use the bigger port. Yep, And now, a little bit of salt. Alright. Now some purpose, some Maggi. Purpose. So I'm going the favorite Maggi. All purpose. Yes, sir. And then my special blended seasoning, which includes a little jerk seasoning and all of the good stuff blended by yours truly. So guys, whatever seasoning you love on your fish, if you are going to attempt this recipe, don't be afraid to use your favorite seasoning, guys. Alright? So let me just get a little fork, combine all of this. Oh. Yeah, man, come in, man. Pass it, pass it, don't work.
Pass me a pass.
Just put it on you. They are afraid to fish, my boy. Let's see what I go on. Yeah, man, I fish up this. Alright. Alright, so let me just light the stove so that I can preheat this oil. Good. Alright, so basically all I'm gonna do is I think we'll get one gloves for this because the purple pepper this thing here and make me afraid of that something there. So let me just set the meat over there proper. Good. Let me just get a glove and be back real quick. Alright, so without further ado, let us get our glove on so that we can start this with our hands. Alright, so I go on. I will make an attempt to try to remove these chunks of seasoning that I have thrown in this. This is just to give this a nice look of flavor. Yes, and that is it. You want all of them flavor in your fish, you know? Alright. We go deep fry these guys, but we will try our best to remove as much liquid as possible. So now I'm gonna get a plate. So when I coat it with the seasoning, I can just rest it aside in my plate to be fried. I'm also gonna get another bowl so that I can lightly dump these with some flours. Alright, so let me just go add a little flour to this. And my battery ready now, so right now I need to plug in this device because I'm not gonna put these food aside to charge this phone. I think I really got a little bit too much, but that's fine. Alright, so a little flour there. Now we're gonna season our flour. Alright, you know what too? I'm planning to do a little fried plantain. So right now, I think I'm gonna put my plantains to fry before the fish because I don't want the oil to start getting raw like the fish. So, where's my other knife? Not that one, not that one, not that one. Alright. Oh, right here. Alright, so let me just get a plantain. So guys, it's fried plantain with fried fish and breadfruit salad for the sides. All right. Alright, so just drop a few pieces of plantain in this pan with oil. Let them go and fry. And I'll do 2 more pieces. Yes, sir. Early this morning. Guys, I had a live stream, TikTok live stream running in the background earlier. And I wasn't paying attention. So that's what the noise, or that's where the noise was coming from. Alright, so I have to get a fork now to just add a little bit of all-purpose to this flour as well. Good. Now we can sprinkle a little black pepper in the flour as well. Black pepper, okay. That's it. Now with our fork, we're just gonna combine everything together. And yes guys, this paprika that I've added will give this fried fish such a beautiful color. Alright, that's it. Alright, so let's just rest this fork aside here and start coating our fish with this season. So I'm just gonna go ahead with everything because this fish is not like a whole fish where you need to get the season all up in the head and everywhere. This is sliced fish, it's cut open, so you can just dump all your season right in there and rub it in. Yep. As I said, I think this is kingfish. I'm not quite sure. Alright, them people are now stop calling me today, but that's fine. Alright, so I'm going on now, people. So now all I have to do is just try to pick up off these excess season that's on here, and what I'm gonna do is just go in my flour just like that and coat my fish just like that. And then I'll just rest this on a plate as one down. ready to go. Alright, let me just check on these plantains in the meantime. I used a bottle of I don't remember what this oil actually is, but I realized it was a bit darker than the usual. Alright, let me get a plate. This plantain seems ready to go. I'm just trying to adjust this phone as much as I can, people. Alright, so just bear with me. Alright, that looks fine. Me personally, I love when my plantains have a bit of burnt crust around the edge, which I'm still not seeing it. I like that burnt flavor very much. If I was doing this for someone, this is the perfect time to take them out. But I like when my plantains have that burnt-ish crust. That crust tastes so good on the plantain, to me personally. So, let me just go in and scoop these out. Should have added some napkin to this plate, but I'll get to that shortly. When you're multitasking, or when you're looking about when you're cooking multiple meals at once, you have to be very focused so nothing actually burns. You have to be real focused, guys. You understand? Yeah. So fish number one is ready. Let me just do a next piece. Oh, let me just turn up the flames to get this really hot. When you're frying fish, guys, if your oil is not hot enough, your fish will stick, believe me. And I'm talking of experience, right? I had to learn the hard way with fish. Your pot needs to be real hot. After the outer crust on the fish has gained a form of texture, then you may reduce flame or the temperature if necessary, if it's burning or anything like that. Yeah, you can reduce the flame, but when you're gonna put it in, when you have to put it in your fish, you need that oil to be hot. Yes, guys. And fish don't need that much cooking time, people. I've seen people cooking fish, and believe me, you have to wonder what kind of fish them a cook. Seafood on a whole, maybe only things like conch, and conch can be eaten raw as well. So, in with our first piece of fish. So I'm gonna do two separate batches. I'm gonna use the first piece on this side. Go down in there. Yep, that is it. I could make a sauce with the remains that's in this marinade and everything, but I don't need any sauce today. So I may just throw this out. Or I could also cook down and just brown stew one of these fish. I don't necessarily have to eat them all fried dry, but I kind of like fried food. I don't like ketchup, and I don't know why. So I'm technically done with the butter and everything. So where's my fork? Let me just try to separate these a bit. I don't want them singing together. Good. Good. Look at these plantains, guys. Wonderfully fried. This is exactly how I love my plantains. Right now, I have to go into the plant right now. I'm going to take one piece now. Yeah, go back again. Right now, I'm going to for all of this planting. You know what? People are actually did half of this planting, but so how good it is, this half that is already fried probably not last to the end of the meal. So I'm just going with the rest of this planting. So, right? This is one of my favorite side dishes, fried plantain. Fried plantain is actually one of my favorite side people. Believe me. Yep. Don't worry about it, man. Everything I fry. Alright. When you're turning fish at this side, you don't struggle to do this with a fork. You're gonna face tearing this fish apart. Although it's not sticking, but just believe me, it's gonna have some weight. Right, so I'm gonna feel with the fork for the crust. Yep. Crust is there. So I'm just try to get under it with this thing. With the tongue. Okay. Alright. You guys see how lovely this fish is coming along? The pot can't hold. Alright. Here's the toast. That is the plan. Here's the toast. Alright. We'll just try to relocate that this plantain so then the burn. Good. The one here, so oh, both of them are there. One is here. Oh, right. So the other one is right here. So I added 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, people. Nice. I love the nago. Wicked today. I'm going to one of these are cloth because you cannot joke it. Wow. Lovely. Alright, so I'm just going to give this maybe a few more minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. As I said, fish don't need that much time to cook. So, yeah. So everything just fry and come in how it's supposed to come in. See you guys in a bit. See? You know, I have to show everything. As in, every piece is fried. Because when you don't see how it come out already. Lovely. Nice. And beautiful. I didn't even show no 4 pieces of the same thing. Yeah, so improvise. That's how it works. Now tell you the truth, people. I'm gonna eat from morning to that. to that. That's funny. So right now Wow. If camera give this fish any justice, I don't look on you and tell me how I think me do. How I think me do, people. And I still have the breadfruit salad in the fridge. But the cup in itself. See that? Not even KFC. So, soon up on the next episode, yeah. This is it for me right now. Big up yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Seeing. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribe. Thanks for your support. Bless.